Yarrney.
In this tutorial, you will learn how to do the alternate single crochet. So this stitch combines the techniques of the front loop and back loop single crochet stitches, but the alternating of front loop and back loop single crochet stitch produce a more defined version of the basic single crochet. Let's get started. So you will want to start with a slip knot and chain foundation. So take your yarn, wrap it around your index finger. Take the other side of the yarn, wrap it around your index finger, take the back loop forward, you have your slip knot. Now insert your hook, tighten your slip knot, now do chains. So for the number of chains, you will want to do a uneven number of chains. So just make sure it matches the length of the project you want to do. For this tutorial, I won't do too many chains. If you're unclear on how to do slip knot and chain, I have a very slow and detailed tutorial on Yarrney for this as well. Now, for basically the first row, you will simply do a row of single crochet from the second chain from the hook. So just regular single crochets. So inserting your hook in the chain and then wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it through both loops, and then just do that for the entire row. When you're at the end of the row here, you will chain one, turn your project around. So we work from the right to the left. Now we start the alternate single crochet. What we're going to do is the first stitch is a single crochet in the front loop. So insert your hook under the front loop only. So the side of the V that's closest to you with your hook coming out the middle. And then wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it back through this front loop. You have two loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it through both loops. Now the second stitch will be a back loop single crochet. So insert your hook in the middle of the next stitch so that your hook comes out under the back loop only like this. Wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it back through. You have two loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it through both loops. Now, why is it called alternating single crochet? You basically alternate between front loop single crochet and back loop single crochet on the entire row. And this is what you're going to do basically for all the next rows. So basically a quick explanation again, insert your hook under the front loop, pull the yarn back, you have two loops, wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it through both loops. And now you do the back loop single crochet, insert your hook in the back loop only, pull the yarn back and pull the yarn through both loops. So keep alternating between front loop single crochet and back loop single crochet. In between each row, you chain one, turn your project around. So this is how you do a alternate single crochet. Now I will let you go practice this stitch. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.